Hello there everybody, my name's Tom, and if you're looking for a review on the Partner with Anthony program, I am doing a review on session number 11. You are definitely in the right place. Today, session number 11, it's another really good session, very informative and very well done by Anthony. And just quickly in regards to the Partner with Anthony program, if you're looking to learn affiliate marketing, online marketing, email marketing, all that kind of thing, then this program definitely is something for you. It is really in depth, a lot of information given to you in like bite-sized pieces, and saying that it's very easy to digest mentally. I'm not very technically minded at all, and I got through the whole course without too much drama at all. I do understand that making a side income or making money online in 2020 can be very frustrating. Frustrating at any time, I guess, not just in 2020. I really do understand that, but don't worry too much, because you will learn a great deal when you do go into a bit of depth with this course. If you're looking for more information, there's a link in the description. Just hit that link and it will take you to a free training video. It's a very good training video from Anthony. There is also another ebook download link in the description. That's totally free, and that has a lot of information regarding online entrepreneurial types of subjects. And I'm sure that really has a lot of good content, and I'm sure you'll find it quite valuable, to always have at your disposal. It's kind of a bit of a checklist as to what most people do, I guess, when they're looking to start something online. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would be absolutely fantastic. I think there is a link, a little somewhere at the bottom of the screen that you can hit. There's definitely a link in the description for subscribing. That would be awesome, and I would love it if you would subscribe and then leave me a comment saying that you have subscribed. That would be cool. Okay, session number 11. Anthony, like a lot of his sessions, he kicks it off with a bit of a reminder on the mindset of a marketer. Now, when you join the program, you are who you are, obviously, but it is very important to try and get your mind in that state where you now have an online business. It's internet marketing. That's the business that you have. I've been through all the different types of marketing in other previous videos, like the social media side of it, the Facebook marketing, Google ads, YouTube ads, solo ads, all that sort of stuff. He just likes to keep you generating the same thoughts that you sort of need to get rolling into the session. And what you're going to learn, you're going to learn to become sales focused. I know that sounds pushy, but it's not that way at all. It's just about generating sales through the traffic that you use. There's no point in setting up a an opt-in page that's designed for, say, solo ads, and putting that in front of somebody that's on Google. You really need to know your audience, and you need to know what they're looking for. He will remind you of that, and without getting into the nitty gritty, which is Anthony's job, I'm just here to do a review. It's very encouraging when you hear what he has to say. You kind of feel better that a lot of people are feeling the same way as you, so don't stress too much on that at all. Also, he teaches you a little strategy in this session, which is very important, because like anybody starting out in business, capital can be an issue, or money can be an issue. So through the power of the internet, Anthony will give you a strategy, a clever little strategy on how you can generate traffic to your ads for free. Now, I know you're thinking, how can that be? It's just a strategy that he will give you, and it's a really important step, especially when you're trying to build your list. Because, let's face it, that's what it's all about. The bigger you can build your list, the more money you can make. So, he also does go into the Facebook side of things, where there are solo ad providers, or solo ad groups, I should say, in the Facebook platform, that you can go and join these groups, and once you get a rapport with the people within the group, you can actually use a bit of a technique and a bit of a strategy to generate free traffic. And that's really cool, and it's really important, because you're always trying to build the list. It's all about the list. Then after that, he goes into a bit of detail on not just how to be networking, but why you should be networking. And it's not until you join a program like this and then discover that you actually have a business, like myself, that's made sales, generating some income, recurring every month, and it's like, wow, it's very cool, it's exciting, but you already find, my situation here is, I do like the solo ad side of the business. I am at the moment, venturing into the Facebook ad side of it, and I'm learning a great deal. But what I'm getting at, with the solo ads, I've got my little network or group of people within the Udemy website platform that they know what I'm after, and they know that my offer is exactly what a certain sector of their list is looking for. So I don't get messed around. They're very, very accommodating as far as trying to put the right audience in front of the offer that you've put forward. And it took a little time, but just through communication, emails, and just chat in general about online marketing, and I'm quite curious. I'm always asking questions. I'm always asking what's converting, and I could go into a little bit of detail, but you'll understand. Once you get your network of people, you will be able to communicate openly, and they will give you, tips and a little bit of direction and just a bit of information on what they think that you might need to do. Actually, as a matter of fact, one of the sellers that I quite often buy solo ads from said to me one day, he said, "Tom, I know you're converting, you've had sales and you're going along quite well." He said, "But if you don't mind me saying, I feel that you could make your opt-in page a little bit more," what was the word he used? It was not inviting, it was not rewarding. Anyway, whatever it was, I forget now. But he did give me a little tip on the opt-in page, and I asked him for a bit more detail. He gave me in a little message, he gave me a bit more detail. I happened to change it out a little bit, and lo and behold, it performed a lot better. And I actually I run a split test with that one and one of the ones that I was converting with, and they were very, very close, very, very close. They were that close that I still to this day don't really have a clear winner out of the two of them. And last in the session, this is a pretty comprehensive session. Last in the session, Anthony again will finish the session with a bit of a reminder on the importance of just moving forward. Even if it's tiny incremental little steps, just the importance of moving forward, always having that one thing that you need to do tomorrow that's going to make your business better for the future, or the one thing that you need to do within yourself to make yourself better to run your business tomorrow. And that pretty much sums up the session. There is, a lot more detail when Anthony gives it to you. I'm just giving you a review. If you're thinking about, as I say, joining the program, by all means, it's a fantastic program. It really is. It's to me, it's an easy option. The price, it's crazy good. The support, Anthony himself, regarded arguably as one of the best entrepreneurial online internet marketers in the world. To know that you can leverage off that, and we're just all beginners, and you can really, set yourself up for the future here. This is real. It's not a scam. This is real, and it's a real business with real people, with real support, with the best of the best throughout the course. There are a lot of surprises within this course, but to find out these surprises, you need to join the course. I'm not going to spoil it here by telling anybody what they are. So yeah, that's it for session 11. Again, turn on your notifications, because session 12 video, Partner with Anthony review, will be coming out very soon. And until then, take care and enjoy yourself. Bye.